Alright, so we have the exhaust system out of the Beetle, cut up into a whole bunch of pieces because somebody wants that cat and I want them to have it. This pipe was recycled from an SUV. It got in the rear end and all the pipe got crushed and it was a one piece, so it was getting thrown out. So we grabbed it, cut it in segments and pieced it all in, made ourselves a ghetto exhaust. That one came with a little shut-up valve, which was kind of cool. Spring actuated, so I mean it sat closed, you could hear it when it opened up. Sounded really good. But yeah, this is the new cat. Need to cut the flange off and that flange off. Need to weld this piece of 3-inch. It's in there good. Need to weld this piece of 3-inch on there and then continue back. Downpipe, all gonna be pie cut. Small flex pipe in it because the motor's rock solid, it's not going anywhere. And yeah, I don't know, carry on. Let's go. Alright, we have our flange and the first little piece of pipe. It's just a little 1-inch piece I'm going to weld on, so we have our, at least the started. Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah, we'll weld this onto here, put it in the car, and then kind of see what way this needs to be clocked and what way all the pie cuts will go off of that. So, weldo time. Yeah. Damn it. Alright, we've thrown together kind of maybe what our downpipe's going to look like. About to test fit it right now. You can hold it. And then I'm going to crawl under, make sure it's at least sort of exiting where we want it to. I'm thinking I'm going to weld these, well, I'll kind of weld them in sequence and maybe clock a little bit as we go just to fine tune and adjust. But so far so good. If you watch, we can fit it in here. Like the exit's in a decent place. Let's see. Sits kind of like that. I don't know, we gotta crawl underneath now and see, but might be it.
Crawl underneath quick and have a look.
Yeah? Yeah, go for it. Let's see what the exit is.
Might not be right.
Definitely close.
Yeah?
Yeah. You'll have to come have a look though, just to see maybe clock to like your left.
Yeah, so like, hang on, let me get past the studs. We like clocked it like that.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Yeah, it's what it kind of looks like from up here. So then it'd be higher up too, because right now from up here, looks like it sits kind of lower, right? Like it looks like it sits a lot closer to the steering rack than the heat shield. Like I got a ton, so and so. Oh, yeah, let me crawl under. Have a peek. It's not
okay.
bad, though, eh? Here, I'm holding it. If you want to come around and pass me the camera, I'll get it down here too.
Okay.
Look at that. Beauty. Ready to go.
Okay, we got the first part of the downpipe on the turbo, and we're just about to clock the next piece.
Oh, it looks so good down here already.
Oh, perfect. Is it in position?
Yeah. Is that thing still rolling past it down here?
Okay.
So far, this is right where we want it. This guy. Something like that. Oh, I don't have the freedom to. There we go. Something like that. All right, so I threw the cat onto kind of the mid pipe. It's going to be, I think, around this area that we're going to come off into the pies. I'm pretty sure. Right now, we're waiting for the flex pipe. It's kind of still a little bit hot. Flex pipe, which does have a couple sleeves on both ends. Once we get them, we'll decide if those are wide enough to hold bung so we can get the O2 and an air fuel in there and an EGT maybe up here. But we'll see. So once that's all together, finish up this guy here. We have some more pies down here. Some long ones, some short ones, and a couple straights. So as soon as we're ready to, as soon as we get the flex pipe, we'll finish it all off. And yeah,
Pretty much there.
pretty much there. Just getting there. At
We're
least
halfway done.
Yeah, good enough to start. Yeah, so it doesn't it's not like this. Although that'd be cool. Yeah. All right, next. Well, I don't know what sequence this is going in, but putting a flex pipe on our cat. Yeah, can have the flex pipe down here instead of up there. Because who cares? The motor mounts are like rock solid, so doesn't really matter. Straighten this guy up, get it put on, and then the way it's gonna sit is this unit will be somewhere like here-ish. I don't know how exactly. It's about that much of a pie cut that needs to be done. Maybe that. We'll see. To get it set under there and just continue on. Fire in the hole. Okay, last segment. Actually putting it together, both segments. These guys. All right, here we are. Our system so far. You know it's 3-inch because it's written on it. Yeah, all we need to do is stick a couple bungs in here. We need an O2 bung, maybe put here, probably maybe up here. I don't know yet. O2 bung, we need a air fuel bung. Yeah, stick those guys in, and this is about where we're gonna leave it for now going onto the car. Eventually we'll turn this around, maybe put a muffler or resonator depending on how loud it is right now, and then complete the side dump because this is gonna exit in front of the driver's rear wheel. So yeah, for now we gotta clean it up, a couple bungs, toss it in there, and for now though, we are going to leave this. You'll probably see another exhaust video in like a month or two, because this is going to be good enough for the startup, and there's, as you can see, a lot of other stuff going on in the car that we need to do anyways. On top of all that, we're moving, and we have a shop to move into, so we can work inside. So no more cold. It's freaking cold. Look at the snow. There's snow.
It snowed this morning.
It snowed this morning. It's really cold, and I don't want to do this outside anymore. So we have a shop. 1 month. We'll be in that shop.